Hi everyone, this is the solubility curve lab evaluation that we're going to be doing. It is a simulation. Before you get started, please download the lab sheet so that you can record your values or just have it open under a different tab. So when I click on that image, it will bring me to this site here. And what you'll want to do is to click on here, this link. Now you may have to enable Flash in order for this to work. I've already got that loaded. And you're going to notice that you have various containers of the different salts that we're going to be testing. You've got the beaker and the hot plate and your measuring devices here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first select the ammonium chloride. If I want to select barium hydroxide, I just move my cursor over to that. I also want to select the various temperatures. Okay, so we're going to start off with the 0 degrees, and I'm going to add a certain quantity of ammonium chloride. So 25 grams to start off with. I notice that my solution is still capable of holding more ammonium chloride at 0 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to go ahead and add another 25 grams. Now, I've noticed when I get to 25 grams, there is an excessive amount. So we are definitely saturated, but are we past the point of saturated? So what we do is we undo that and we keep going until we have the exact point of saturation. So here, if I add 10 grams, it shows me that I have 35 grams in total in the solution. That seems to be a bit much as well. So what you do is you add until your solution has reached its maximum, but not exceeded. So now I'm at 26 grams, 27 grams, 28 grams, 29 grams, and it can still hold more. Okay, and you keep adding. And we notice that, at 31 grams, we have exceeded. So we'll just undo that last one. And we have 30 grams that this quantity of water, which is 100 milliliters, can hold until it reaches that point of saturation at 0 degrees. So then what I would do is I would then go over to the lab sheet that you are given, and you would record 30 grams onto that sheet. Okay, so let's take a look at, I would stick with the same substance, and I would say at 20 degrees, how much is your solution capable of holding for ammonium chloride? And again, 25, I'll add another 25. I notice that's too much, so I'll undo, I'll add 10. And I notice, it's still capable of holding more. And I see that that's too much. So then I'll add 1 gram at a time until I reach that point of saturation. And once that point is reached, you just undo the last amount that you added. And in this particular case, I will undo that. 38 grams can dissolve until the point of saturation for 20 degrees. Then I go over to here and I type in 38 grams. So you will continue to do that for the rest of the salts to gather your data. On the next slide, what I will do is I will go over how to graph these on Google Sheets.